Alright guys, it is Friday, January, what is it, the 25th. This month is almost over. And I spent the morning unloading a box blade that we went out and bought yesterday. Me and the wife went over to Asheville and got a 6-foot box blade yesterday. More on that later. I'll probably do a whole video next week, kind of talking about that box blade and what we're going to be using it for at the farm. But anyways, we're now headed to Hawkins County, Tennessee. I got to stop off first at a buddy of mine's sawmill, Matt. He's got a LT35. I got to do some horse trading with him on a few things. And after I get done there, I'm going to head on down to Rogersville to a log yard, and that's why I got the trailer hooked up. Now I was hoping to take my dual axle trailer today, but it's stuck in the mud with about 9 walnut logs on it. Imagine that, wet conditions at my place. So that's not going to happen today. So I had to get the 5x10 trailer out, and I'm hoping it's going to be stout enough to haul home what we need to get down here. And what I'm doing is rescuing some walnut today. A buddy of mine is a log buyer in this area. He travels everywhere, all over North Carolina, Virginia, Northeast Tennessee. He goes everywhere buying timber. And he bought some walnut logs a few weeks ago and gave me a call because when the logger delivered them to the yard, they actually left the crotches on them. And he just buys 8-footers usually, so he cut off the 8-foot section that he needs, and it left 4.5 on the end of them, or around 4, and the crotches are on them. So we got 6 crotch logs waiting on us down here, and if I don't go get them today, they're liable to get gone because the log loader guys down there, if something's in their way, they just throw it in the pulp pile. According to him yesterday, they cut the crotches off, so they're ready to go. The other logs got shipped out to Ohio, I think he was saying. So after we stop by Matt's, we'll save some walnut. And the other good thing about this is, they're free. Can't beat that. 6 walnut crotch logs, and they're free. So hopefully they're going to be good and wide and intact. And hopefully the checking hasn't started yet. The first thing I'm going to do is get them home and unload them and throw the Anchorseal on them. Because in the wintertime, they don't crack as fast usually, but in the summertime, man, you gotta get that Anchorseal on within minutes. So sometimes they'll start cracking that first day when you cut them up. So that's what's going on today, and I'm taking you guys along with me. So it should be a pretty good day. Guys, so check this out. I just stopped in Rogersville to get some gas, and I went in there to get me some snacks. And what do they have? No Pepsi or Coke. RC Cola. That is old school right there. Look at the label. That thing's probably been in there for years. Oh well. Royal Crown Cola. RC. So for anybody looking for RC Cola, head to Rogersville, Tennessee at the marathon on 11W. They got all you want in there. 89 cents too, that's pretty cheap. Going down here to the log yard and get these walnuts. Well, today, guys, was a good example of why it pays to know people in the timber industry, wherever you live at, if you're looking for logs and stuff like this, because the more people you know, the more people is going to be calling you and stuff like this happens. And the guy I got these from, I've known him for a few years, and this is the first time I've actually got anything from him. But I sure am glad I got to know him about 2 years ago, because it's paid off today. Now, we got 6 logs total from over there, and one of them is like 2 feet long. It's too short to saw, but I'm not going to complain about that at all. I was tickled to death when they was putting these in the trailer in the truck bed, because this is the first time I saw them today. I didn't get any pictures of them beforehand. I'm going to take a few measurements here, because on these videos, the timber, a lot of the times, looks a lot smaller on the video than it really is. 4 feet 2 inches. As we get down doing these measurements, I'm going to throw some Anchorseal on them. And we're in good shape on these ends. There's no cracking at all. So that's really good. That's nice to find right there. Throw some Anchorseal on these and we'll be good to go. The diameter down here is 19 inches. And man, look at that brown chocolate color on there, and very minimal sap lines. And the reason being, when I talked to the forester that got these for me, he bought these from a logging operation on a mountain in North Carolina. So I don't know what mountain it was. North Carolina is about a 40-minute drive from here. And like I said earlier, he buys timber from all around, so he went up to a mountain logging site and bought these. So this came out of a dense forest. I can tell that by the sap line being very minimal. So we should have some fantastic stuff come out of these. I am very excited about these little logs here. You know, to most people, these may not look like much, but you guys know better while watching the stuff on this channel. There's gold inside these right here, man. These are nice. Can't wait to get these on these mills. These may jump ahead in front of a lot of stuff I got to saw, because I'm really wanting to get into these. Crotch on this log at its widest point, 29 inches. Can't beat that. And right here's the smaller one I was telling you about. It's too small for the Wood-Mizer. It's only 23 inches long. There is a crotch there. But leave me a comment below. What would you guys do with this? I may split it into bowl blanks and get my adze out and make some bowls or something like that. But if this was your guys' log, what would you do with it? I'm just curious. Give me some ideas other than maybe carving some bowls out of it. That's the only thing I can think of right now. Check this one out, guys. This is the biggest one, and man, it is nice. The length on it, roughly, well, this is a 5-footer. I thought he told me there were 4-footers. This one's a 5-footer. That's pretty good. I wasn't expecting that. Down here on the end, our diameter is looking like 21 inches, and a lot of mud on these and dirt. That log yard was pretty nasty. I'll probably take the water hose and wash these off before we put them on the Wood-Mizer. Now the most important measurement, which is the crotch on this one, we're looking at, gosh, 30 inches. Fantastic. Now, I mentioned these were free. Not that I'm bragging about this, I'm just showing you guys this stuff is out here free for the taking if you look for it. Anyways, guys, it's getting cold out here. It's about 6 o'clock and the sun's going down. It's supposed to get down in the 20s tonight, or the teens rather. And the weather report for the weekend, for you people that are always interested in that as much as I am. Snow tomorrow, I think snow Sunday, and maybe snow Monday. Crappy weather, crappy weather. But my plans next week, my plans for this weekend, not a whole lot going on. I probably won't get much done this weekend. I got some family things to take care of. Monday, I'm going to try to get on the sawmill and take care of that walnut log that's on her right now, that's been on the ground for who knows how long, probably 5 or 6 years. And as soon as that one gets sawed up, I'm probably going to do some box blade work here on this driveway. I got about a 1/4 mile of gravel road to maintain between me and my neighbor, and it's getting pretty bad with all this snow we've had. It needs some work done to it. That's why we got the box blade yesterday. But when all that's done, maybe by Tuesday or Wednesday, hopefully by Tuesday, we'll put these on the mill. These will be the next ones to go on. As soon as that walnut's done, I'm going to have these jump ahead of the other things I had in mind and get to these first, because man, they are super nice. I love a good crotch log. We will do a video for each one of these logs. You guys may be sick of seeing them. I think that's what we'll do. One video for each one of them. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. And for you people on Patreon supporting the channel, I really appreciate that, guys. That helps keep these cameras rolling and buys batteries and buys camera lenses and all that stuff, because this stuff is expensive. Camera stuff's high. That kind of offsets the cost of that stuff. But anyways, guys, don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. And if you like this kind of format I done today, it's kind of like a vlogged work day where you guys kind of follow me around. I don't really get nothing done, productively as far as sawing logs, but I get a lot done with stuff like this. But if you enjoyed this format, let me know below. I don't know if you guys like this type of format or not. I've done it in the past a few times and the views weren't really that good. I need to quit doing videos with this measuring tape in my hand. I'm sitting here the whole time flicking back and forth. There, inside my hands. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you back here in a few days. And next week, a video every day. Monday through Friday, 5 videos. I'll probably stay up late every night editing, but we'll get them out. 5 videos. There, I said it. I guess it's going to happen. Have a good one, guys.